Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is going to be just another quick little video. I have a 2013 Maserati Granturismo, and I have the aftermarket head unit, Android head unit, climate control installed, and I have my green service wrench on, and I am going to reset it, and I'm going to show everybody how to do that. And also, I've had a lot of people say that they've taken their cars in to get serviced, and they say they're unable to, dealership or whoever's servicing it says they are unable to reset it. So I'm going to show that you can, and explain how the process on how to do that. You'll see that I have the green wrench on there just under the park sign, which means it's time for service. And then there's my Android head unit, climate control, everything lit up. And what I'm using is the Autel MaxiCheck MX808. Now you'll see, it's kind of hard to see, but down there I have it plugged into the system. Okay, so what we're going to do is go into the service function, and then we're going to go to oil reset. We're going to auto detect the VIN. Granturismo M145. We're going to go to hot function, do auto oil reset, warning: before performing the reset procedure of the service information, be sure that the date and time indicated on the infotainment and dashboard nodes are correct. So time, everything's correct. Everything's correct on my head unit, I believe. This is very important, otherwise your time will always be off. Let's hit OK. Test complete, positive result. OK. Okay, and now the oil reset is done, and the service wrench is no longer there. That's how you do it. Thanks so much.